How are you? Hi, how are you? We came back again. You have Miss Doaa, the math teacher. Okay, we will complete chapter 10. Okay, but now lesson 4. Lesson 4, page 725. Please open your book, page 725. Multiply whole numbers and fractions. Multiply whole and fractions. First, I will multiply whole and fraction. So, how can I multiply whole and fraction, Ms. Dua? First, we have important information. You can write any whole as a fraction. For example, if I have 12, I can write 12 as a fraction, of course. Any whole, what is the denominator? Is 1. So if I want to write 12 as a fraction, I will write 12 over 1. If I have, for example, number 10, how can I write it as a fraction? Yes, like you said, 10 over 1. So any whole, if I want to write it as a fraction, the denominator will be 1. Okay, our lesson today is super easy. Look at example 1. Wild parrot. Wild parrots spend 1/6 of the day looking for food. How many hours a day does a parrot spend looking for food? Okay, here I will multiply. It's not written about, it's not written estimate, it's not written round. So I will multiply directly. 1/6, 1/6 times. Here it's not written multiplied by what? Oh my God, just 1/6 I have. Read again. How many hours a day? How many hours a day? Yes, like you said, 24 hours. So multiplied by 24. So in this problem solving, we have a trick. He gave you just one number. But what about the second? I will multiply it by what? Yes, you have to read carefully, please. How many hours a day? How many hours in a day? It is 24 hours. Bravo. So multiply it by 24, okay? Like I said, I can write any whole as a fraction. How come? What is the denominator of 24? Bravo. 1. Now, super easy. Multiply numerator with numerator, then multiply denominator with denominator. The numerator here is 1 times 24. 1 times 24 equals? Yes, 24. What is the denominator? Yes, 6 times 1. 6 times 1 equals? Yes, 6. Here when I read 24 over 6, let's simplify 24 over 6. Ask yourself, which number times 6 equals 24? Yes, bravo. Revise table 6. Which number times 6 equals 24? Yeah, it's number 4. 4 times 6 equals 24. So what is the answer? Yes, 4. Let's see example 2. Like what I told you, our lesson today is super easy. Example 2. Find the unknown in 2 times 4/5. Right here, 2 times 4/5. Before I will multiply, it's written here small remark. This is for the previous lesson, estimation. Of course, when I want estimate 2, same, it's a whole 2. when I want to estimate fraction 4 over 5, what I said in the previous video, I said we have two consecutive numbers. 4 after 4 is 5. Yes. So 4 out of 5, 4 over 5 is close to 1. Because if I have any two consecutive numbers, it's close to, yes, 1. So 2 times 1 equals 2. So right here, 2. Okay, this is just a quick review for our previous lesson. Let's back again to example 2. Find the unknown in 2 multiplied by 4/5. Like what I said, I will write 2 as a fraction, so the denominator is 1. Let's multiply numerator with numerator, then denominator with denominator. 2 times 4 is equal to, yes, 8. Then 1 times 5 is equal to, yes, 5. Oh my God, I have to simplify. Why, Miss Doaa? Because here the numerator is greater than the denominator. I have to write it as a mixed. We studied this before. What we will do? Yes, like you said, we will divide 8 divided by 5. Which number close to 5? Or which number multiplied by 5 close to 8? Yes, it's number 1. 1 times 5 is equal to 5. The second step, subtract. 8 minus 5, yes, 3. How can I write this division as a mixed? Super easy. Mixed means whole and fraction. The whole is the king, is always sitting up. Write it here, 1. Then I want to write fraction. Super easy. When I write fraction, take the remainder up, 3. Then the divisor down, 5. So 1 and 3/5. 1 and 3/5. Okay? Till here I put the final answer. 1 and 3/5. Easy? Okay. The last example. Guided practice. Find 1/2 times 4. Write in simplest form. Don't forget this step. Write in simplest form. 1/2. 1/2. Please write with me in your book. Okay, don't forget. Times 4. First, I will write 4 as a fraction over 1. Yes, bravo. Multiply numerator with numerator. 1 times 4 is equal to, yes, 4. Over 2 times 1 is equal to, yes, 2. 4 divided by 2 equals what? Yes, equals 2. Because 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Okay? Like you said, like you saw today, our lesson today was super easy. You can answer the independent practice on your own, page 727 and 728. Then answer also the homework pages 729 and 730. Like as usual, you will find the answers of these pages, inshallah, on the Google Classroom. Thank you. Good luck. Bye-bye.